Okay, here's our chance. She's alone. You wait here until I give you the signal.
Wait.
What?
What do you want me to play?
I don't know, something that says I'm sensitive, but at the same time, if you ever cross me, I'll mess you up.
Okay.
Hey, how's it going?
It's alright, I guess. Just waiting for my ride.
Oh, you don't have a car?
Well, I have one, but it's in the shop because I was born without a Y chromosome, so I'm naturally bad at driving.
Oh, right. Well, what say you and me go see the new Keanu Reeves movie tomorrow? I hear it has a political agenda behind it.
Well, I would really like to, but I'm going to see Coldplay tomorrow, and I really like Coldplay because, you know, if like, I don't know, the lead singer, he's a vegetarian, and I'm a vegetarian, and so I feel like we're both sort of in the same league.
It's 6 a.m. You're so far from where I've been. I got my eggs, I got my pancakes too. If you ever cross me, I'll kill you.
Is he with you?
Yeah, he's my folk singer.
Your folk singer, as in he belongs to you?
Yeah, I bought him in Mexico.
You purchased a human being?
It's not that big of a deal. I got a good price. I talked the guy down to $50. I don't understand why you're being so dramatic.
I should report you to the authorities.
I don't get why she was being so dumb.
I know, I played Jewel.
I know. I was having a hard time not hitting on myself.
Maybe we should stop seducing the intellectual ones and start going after the dumb-looking ones.
I don't know. Maybe girls have just started to build up a tolerance to a seductive melody of a folk singer and a guitar.
What, are you kidding me? Chicks love this. They look at me behind this instrument and they're like, wow, he's sensitive.
I don't know. I'm beginning to think you weren't even worth the money. I mean, I could have just shelled out 20 more for a gallon of goat pheromones and cut out the middleman.
You wearing enough cologne today, Lee?
Your little sister likes it, Dare Bear.
I'm the only one who call him Dare Bear.
Better watch your tongue, boy.
Yeah, tell him
I don't want to be held responsible for what I'm going to do to you.
Who's that?
Oh, that's Darren. He's dating pretty much every girl in high school.
Seriously? Like all the girls?
Well, 6, but you know, pretty much. He's just so ripped.
What a jerk. Why don't his girlfriends break up with him?
It's that show Big Love. They're all hyped up on polygamy or something. I don't know. I have class in like 5 minutes.
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know. Stand around, I guess. Go try and get that smell out of my car. Zach, what the heck?
Okay, so I noticed on my way to the gym that Darren was walking to Maggie Moo's. So I called my friend Esteban, a hitman that I met in a Honduran prison when I was 9. I forgot, however, that Esteban has a thing for sideburns, and seeing as how Darren has plenty, he couldn't just finish the job. So he tied him up, and that pretty much brings you up to speed.
That sounds made up, but whatever. What are we supposed to do with him?
Well, I figured you would know.
I don't want anything to do with him.
We can't just cut him loose, he'll be mad. I think he's already mad.
If I untie you, do you promise not to hurt me? Should just spent 20 more on a Ford Fiesta.
Lee, you can't untie him.
Why the heck not?
He'll hurt you.
No, he won't. He just promised not to.
Lee, remember the other day when we were at the park eating sandwiches and you went to your car to get the Frisbee? And when you got back, I promised that I didn't do anything to your food?
Of course I remember that. It was a great day. Played Frisbee and ate sandwiches.
Well, I didn't know that you could get salmonella from eating raw chicken, and also I put some raw chicken in your sandwich.
Oh, I thought those were tomatoes.
I thought you were really dumb.
That just ruins my day.
Yeah, well, kind of ruined my life when I was purchased by a really dumb guy.
Well, we can't just leave him here. I mean, I think a few of the teachers actually like him. Well, not that one, I guess.
Let's sell him on eBay.
This is America, Zach. You can't just go out and sell a person.
Canada?
What are you, a socialist?
Navasota then.
That's the ticket.
Yes, quite literally the only time Navasota's existence ever helped anyone.
Hey, what are you doing with my boyfriend?
Help me out here, Zach.
Where'd he go? We were hiking.
He doesn't even like hiking.
I just really wanted a girlfriend, you know?
How do you expect to get a girlfriend when you're going hiking with another dude?
Well, me and my folk guitarist we were gonna take advantage of you when you got depressed.
Oh, that's so sweet. That happens to be the best way to go about manipulating a woman.
So will you be my girlfriend?
Mama was queen of the mambo, Papa was king of the Congo. Deep down in the jungle, I started banging my first bongo. Every monkey like to be in my place instead of me, 'cause I'm the king of bongo.